Alright guys, on to day 2 of Matsuri. Morning is filled with straightening my 350Z because, yeah, I wish I had a lot of the footage. Someone's going to send me some of the footage, so hopefully you just saw that footage, but if you didn't, I was being really ignorant. Blew my wide body off both sides of the car. Yeah, there was a lot of ignorance going on. But right now I need to make it my winch isn't going in. That's interesting. I might get you to jump on the brakes there. Mate, jump on the brakes for us. Yeah. Yep. Pretty good, pretty mint, if I do say so myself. Now all I need to do is get it to go down more, and I have a tactic. Mint. Mint?
Mint. Oh, down a little bit.
Yeah, I need to go down. I've got another tactic for that.
Oh, yeah.
So we're just going to pull the other side out now, and then I've got to work on a jig to get the front end to get the thing to come down.
Yeah, just on that bend.
Yep, that'll be fine. Mint? Alright, now I've got to get it down. So this is my idea. Pole, Raptor heavy, drive onto pole.
It'll work. Not that hard. No. No, it's just moving up there.
Oh, it's definitely come down a bit.
Oh, it moved down a bit, no.
Yeah. I can come forward another couple inches, yeah?
Yeah. Look to the left side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Schmick.
Probably move it across the side a bit.
It's way better.
It's bent down?
Yeah. Just a more smaller front windows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better. The whole thing still needs to come down more, but I probably need a longer pole.
Yeah.
Right, maybe we'll tuck it in the middle and I'll give another dip. Yeah, but I can see on this side, so I can't see my bullhorn.
Yeah. got like maybe half. Yep.
Doing that to try and bounce it.
Yeah. It's definitely come down.
Yeah, that worked then, didn't it?
Yeah. Oh boy.
Beautiful. That's not bad, eh? That's good job. That's how we it could definitely come down a bit more, but that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Mint. Perfect. Now you can see, well used door. But good thing about 350, massive open cavity, be able to fix it. Now jump over the other side there. Can't fit my foot through that bit. Need to get something more serious to get that big one at the front end.
Where's that pole? You just had to.
Over there, I'll grab it. Find another hole and then just poke it under that.
Yep.
And just poke through the fiberglass.
Yep.
Get a new hole. Get some new holes going.
Alright.
Yep. There's one more there. I don't want to scratch it.
Nah, mate. Oh, pristine.
Is that where it was?
Yep.
Fucking mint.
That's like a brand new door. Oh, that was the money shot right there.
Hold on. It's the little hand one at the top here. People reckon it was wrecked. It's not wrecked. Perfect. Come over here. Put the door trim back on. Man, beautiful. So that is how we repair the car, ready for another day of Matsuri. I do have spare rear quarters, if you remember, guys. I do have spare doors, but mid Matsuri, putting new stuff on, not smart. Perfect. Oh, that bit's a little bit in.
That's
A1, mate. Does it keep popping back out, does it?
Yeah, it's just thin middle.
Oh, there we go. Oh, then it pops back in down here. Yeah, look.
You find a wild stick in his natural habitat.
It's making new holes. Can't believe I lost a piece. Like I can, with what I was doing. Fortunately, I didn't film it, but hopefully other people did. Alright, that's pretty mint.
Yeah, it should be right.
Doing some preventative, not preventative, well it is preventative, but some of the track's starting to break up. We had like crazy rain yesterday for like, what, an hour?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had crazy rain for like an hour, and it does cause the track to break up because it's only originally a go-kart track, so this particular part of the track is like really thin. So yeah, we try and we use a floor leveler like they use for bathrooms and stuff. That's what we use to fill the cracks, and it works amazing. Like, it's the best stuff we've ever used, because we use. Do you still use a little bit of concrete with it, or you go straight at it?
Just straight at it.
Straight at it.
Yeah.
So Chi-Chi, the old school ideas.
asshole.
Hey, I had a camera on my car. I got evidence of you tapping the door. Yeah, what?
Shush.
That's
I
good.
didn't know you had a camera.
Huh?
I didn't know you had a camera.
So she was tapping the door, telling me to get on her door. So
You should have known not to though.
don't tap your door.
Luckily we didn't spend time on clear coding it.
Well, that's what I said. No point. I got your wheel as well.
Alright, now we can paint the pink. Now I'm okay to do it. I'll go get some spray paint.
Alright guys, Matsuri was a huge success. I can't thank everybody that entered the event enough. It was just so much fun, and hope you guys enjoyed a bit of that raw footage. I genuinely just not slacked out. I was so busy. I gave so many ride with the pros. So stoked to everyone that came out for a ride with me. It was just like an epically fun weekend. You know, even guys that, you know, had a bingle or broke a motor were still smiling at the end of the weekend. We had beers and stuff afterwards. It was just like a bloody good weekend, and it was another one of those situations where I probably need a camera guy for a weekend like that can document it and edit it up, because I just don't have the time on a big weekend like that where I'm running the event, driving the event, doing ride-alongs and all that sort of stuff at the same time. So I do apologize for that, guys. Hope you enjoyed the bit of raw footage anyway, and we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Keep positive, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out. Bye.